Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Scotiabank app stopped working after an update, follow these steps to fix it. First, restart your phone. Many update post issues are caused by background system conflicts. After restarting your phone, next go ahead and open the App Store. And there search for Scotiabank and then check if there is another update available. Sometimes bank releases quick bug fixes after major updates. Now, go ahead and check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then, if the app still does not open, go ahead and clear the app's cache on Android. On iPhone, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Scotiabank, and then reinstall it. Also, make sure that your phone software is up to date because outdated system versions can break banking apps. After completing these steps, open the app again and it should work normally, and that's it. Subscribe for more